How would you like to take your drawers from looking like this to looking like this? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about keeping your home organized, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell for notifications so you can know everything there is to know about home organization. I am Brandy. I am a professional organizer and a Massachusetts Realtor, and I've helped many people just like you get their homes in order. It is a true passion of mine, and I have loved every single minute of it. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your drawers so not only do they look amazing, but they're going to be easy to keep organized, and you're going to have easy access to every single item in that drawer. So let's go ahead and get started. Maybe your drawers look like this, making it very difficult to find the items you need. Maybe you actually have your clothes neatly stacked, but it still makes it difficult to get to the clothes at the bottom of the pile. There is a better way to organize your drawers. Step one is you're going to want to empty the drawer. You want to start with a clean slate so you're not fumbling around trying to get things out of the way. Step two, you're going to want to purge. You are going to want to get rid of anything you don't wear or use. A good rule of thumb is only keep the things that you wear or use, or the things that truly make you happy. Step three is you are going to want to put things into categories. So you're going to want to put socks with socks, leggings with leggings, and if at all possible, each drawer just dedicate to one thing. But in some situations, you are going to have to combine items in the same drawer, especially if you have limited space. Step four is you are going to want to use drawer dividers or tension rods to set the drawer up in a way that is going to work for the items that you have in that drawer. So drawer dividers and tension rods are my favorite items to use to organize drawers because you have so much flexibility with them. You can use them in so many different ways and they work out great for any types of items that you have in your drawers. Step five is going to be folding. So if you have any clothes, you need to fold them. And vertical folding usually works best because not only does it look great, but you can then see every item in the drawer and you have easy access to everything in the drawer. So you can pull items out easily without messing up the entire drawer. Try and fold each category of clothing the same width. Not only will it look much better, but it will also fit a whole lot better in the drawer as well. Put your clothing in the drawers vertically. I call it filing clothing because it reminds me of filing paperwork. Now you can see everything in the drawer and easily access everything in the drawer. Organizing your drawers this way saves space. I was able to add this third row of clothes after organizing the drawer. Dividers and tension rods allow for you to set your drawers up any way you want to fit a variety of different items. And then just a little tip, if you have limited space, you can always take off-season items and store them elsewhere. So if you are not going to wear something for the next 4 to 6 months, you can always take it out of that drawer and put it somewhere, store it away, and bring it back when you need it. And another tip is bookends. So as the drawers get empty, as you start to wear things or use things, things are going to start falling over. They're not going to stay neat and in place. So you can use bookends to keep them in order when the drawer is less full. So now you should be in great shape to organize any drawer in your house. But if you do have any questions or you need any help organizing any part of your home, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I am happy to answer any questions you might have or help in any way I possibly can. I hope we have the chance to meet, and until then, stay safe and healthy.